Hi, I'm Grant. This is Dad Shorts by Dad Crafted. And this is a circle cutting jig for a palm router. All right, let's go!
Okay, start by unscrewing the base from the bottom of your router because that's just going to be in the way. Then use that base to draw some circles to mark for your template. This is a piece of 1/4 inch plywood. You drill the holes where you drew the circles. Then you use a little paddle bit and you screw in a little bit so that it'll be recessed and your screws won't rub on your piece. Then use big old paddle bit and you screw out the middle so your router bit can go through the middle. Then you take that piece of 1/4 inch plywood and you screw it right back on, right on top of the router. Then you want to measure your radius. That's not the diameter. If you want a 23-inch circle, you do 11.5 like we did here. Then you screw that thing right on your piece. This is MDF. Boom, look at that. Then you start cutting circles. Boom. Circle, circle, all the way around. Look at that go. 1/4 inch plywood's good because it's flexible and you can raise your bit easy. Flip that thing open, turn that counterclockwise, raises it up 1/4 inch, flip that thing back down, boom, ready to go. Oh wait, got to do that vacuum stuff, get all that out of the way, that's going to get stuff stuck if you don't leave that there. Then, circles, lots more circles, 1/4 inch at a time. When you're all done, look at that, boom, big old cookie. Unscrew that template, take that off. There you go, giant 23-inch circle. Spin it around, look at it, love it. Big cookie, take a bite out of it.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and all that stuff. We'll see you next time. All right, let's go. Bye!